You're always coming and going. You never really know just what you need. Take things as you see. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial, and today we're going to be learning about the song Confusing Girl by Grentperez. So first up, I would just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be using a CAPO on the 2nd fret, which means that this is not going to be your 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. And aside from that, we're going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And aside from that, we're going to be playing this all by yourself, as if you're just going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic guitar. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So first up is going to be the B major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. It's going to be dead string, 2, 4, 3, 4, dead string. Next up is going to be the G sharp major chord. It's going to be like this. For this one, I'm going to be using our index finger to bar the 4th fret, the entirety of it. For the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4. Next up, we've got the E major chord. It's going to be like this. And you could play it like this or like this. Depends on your preference when it comes to playing that chord anyway. That's going to be open, 2, 2, 1, open, open. Next up is going to be the G major chord, which is going to be like this. That's going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Yep, for the G major chord, it's going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Next up is going to be the F sharp major chord. It's going to be like this. Similar to the G sharp major chord earlier, just going to be doing it right here on the 2nd fret. That's going to be 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Next up is going to be the A major chord, just moving this chord shape from the 2nd fret to the 5th fret. So that's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Then lastly, it's going to be the B major chord. It's going to be this one right here. Yep, and that is going to be 7, 9, 9, 8, 7, 7. Okay, so when it comes to the strumming pattern that we're going to use in this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, 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 up. Yep, just like that. So if you guys prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and this part of your thumb for the up strums. So that is going to be down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, up. But if you prefer to use a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. Yep, so it's going to be down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. And with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worth for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song, which means that the first 2 counts will be this part right here. So the first half is going to be this one right here. Then the second half is going to be this one right here. Yep, altogether, it's going to be like this. Okay, so for the intro as well as the second chorus section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the B major 7 chord for 4 counts, which is going to be like this. Followed by the G sharp major chord for 4 counts. Then the E major chord for 4 counts. For these parts right here, from the G major chord for 2 counts up to the F sharp major chord for 2 counts, for the G major chord, we're going to be using the first 2 counts of the strumming pattern, which is going to be like this. Then for the F sharp major chord for 2 counts, we're going to be using the second half now this time, which is going to be like this. Yep, so it's going to be down, 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 up, down, then up, up, down, up, up, down. Then after that, we're going to be repeating this chord progression one more time. So once again, B major 7 chord for 4 counts, then G sharp major, then E, then G, then the F sharp major chord. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so for the first sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the B major 7 chord for 4 counts, then the G sharp major chord, then the E major chord. Now this time we're only going to be playing the F sharp major chord for 4 counts instead of that whole G major chord for 2 counts and the F sharp major chord for 2 counts bit. So for this one, just going to be doing the F sharp major chord for 4 counts. Yep, then after that, just going to be doing this chord progression one more time. So once again, B major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the pre-chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the E major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then G, that F sharp major chord for 2 counts. Yep, then one more, E major chord for 4 counts. Then a G major chord. Then the F sharp major chord for 2 counts as well. Yep. Once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Now Okay, so for the first chorus section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the B major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Once more. Then the G sharp major chord for 4 counts. Then the E major chord for 4. Then G. Yep, 2 more of those. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so for the bridge section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the E major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then the F sharp major chord for 4 counts. Followed by the G major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the A major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be this one right here. Yep, and when it comes to the B major chord for 8 counts, it's going to be a little bit tricky. So for the first 4 counts, it's going to be as normal. It's going to be like this. But for the next 4 counts, it's going to be like this. Yep, so that's going to be down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Yep, so it's going to be down, up. Then for the next strumming pattern, we're going to be releasing our tension here on our fingers in the fretboard. So it's going to be creating this sounds right here. So it's going to be down, up, then down. Yep. Back here again with the pressure. It's going to be down, up, down. Yep. To create that similar effect, similar to the audio of this song. So it's going to be, yep, just like that. So for the whole 8 counts of the E major chord, it's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Now I know what's been around me, but I won't change, just make it clear to see. She's into me. And lastly, for the third chorus section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So it's similar to the intro as well as the second chorus section for the chord progressions, but we're just going to be doing the Mi major 7th chord at the end 3 times. So it's similar to this. So it's like hey, 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 based on the ending of the original audio of the song. So it's like just 3 down strums. Yep, it's just hey, hey, hey. Yep. So what we want to do there is we're just going to be strumming our strings right here. And as we're doing that, we're releasing tension here in our fingers. Yep. So for the first 2, it's going to be the case. So it's strum, then release. Yep. Do it fast enough. It's going to be like this. Yep. Just like that. And everything else is going to be similar. So once again, B major 7 chord for 4 counts. And that's the song basically from start to finish. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. You're always coming and going, and I know just what you need. You take things as you see, what's the one you see? You always manage to send me in the world. You're So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this point of the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And if you guys would like to watch my other Grentperez guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.